Hello from PlotSet. A bar chart is the most common type of data visualization, and today I will show you how to draw one using PlotSet. Hit Get Visual and go to your panel. Then go to the New Chart button. Select the bar chart that will take you to the plotting area. When you're here, the first thing you do is to insert your data, but you can do so via different ways. I'm more comfortable with uploading Google Sheets. Keep in mind that you need to enable public access for this option. Copy-paste the link here. Don't forget to mention the name of the tab in which you've written the data. Then hit Import. As you can see, the data is now imported here. Our bar chart has a cool option. You can include an image for each data point. All you need to do is to indicate the links to the images you want in a separate column, and mention the name of the column here in front of the images. The chart is about the number of LinkedIn users based on the country in 2020. So I go ahead and write the title for myself here, since I am the only one to see this title. In the color section, you can change the backgrounds to any color you want. It solely depends on your preferences. You can apply the changes anytime you want during your charting process. You can keep the color mono, apply some gradient shade to them, pick one of our beautiful color palettes in the multi-section, or simply pick the colors manually. For this particular chart, I have chosen the color based on the flags of each country. Hence, I've written the hex codes here and copy-paste them to the right spots. The header is the title you can choose for the chart, and it will be displayed at the top of the chart. Where would you like to place it? I like it in the center. You can change the font size and color. I like the color to have LinkedIn logo's blue shade. I don't want to add any subtitles or notes, but feel free to explore these options. In the footer section, you can mention the place where you have taken the data. Mine is from the Business of Apps. Did you notice how I embed the link in the source title? The same as the header, you can change the font size and its color. Don't forget about the number formatter, which is an important detail. My data points are in millions, so I go ahead and add an M in the suffix. In the X-axis section, I would like more numbers to appear on the axis. So I put the sampling on custom mode. You can decide whether to display labels or not, or maybe a little change of font and size. I'd like to turn off the thick lines. If you like, you can display grid lines, but I'm not doing that for this design. Time for Y-axis. You can mostly apply whatever you did on the X-axis here, except for a few things. For instance, I'd like to overlay the labels to make them more distinctive. Of course, I also have the option here to change the font and size. Let's not display the thick lines here either. Over at the bar section, you can choose whether the images be displayed in the shape of a square or a circle. I go for circles. At bar width, apply the width you have in mind. I'd like to enable the backgrounds for the bars, as they make the bars stand out more. I like to display the labels for the bars. Place them at the endpoint and change the size and color. Time for the tooltips, which are the boxes that appear in the plotting area as you hover over the bars. It's up to you whether to use this feature or lose it. I'd like to keep the tooltips but change the color of the sticky lines. The sticky lines are the colored lines beside the data inside the tooltips, making the data points more distinctive. And now we are done. You can obtain an export of the final design in PNG, SVG, or JPG format. You can also share the link to your chart with someone else, embed it on a website, or share it on social media. Thank you for watching.